Hi friends, welcome to our channel trip Fantasies. We are in Nusa Penida. We arrived here yesterday and went around the famous places. If you haven't watched our last video, then we will provide the link in the description. This is Pandava Beach Resort and Spa where we stayed for a night. Just imagine waking up to this incredible beauty every morning. The resort features an infinity pool that blends seamlessly with the ocean, and the view is spectacular. They also have a spa where we can indulge in a range of treatments designed to rejuvenate both body and mind. We are at Virgin Beach Restaurant, the starting point for our snorkeling trip. We booked this ticket by KLOOK. Check out how beautiful the morning is. It is a group tour and costed us $650 per person and includes snorkeling at 3 spots: Manta Bay, Gamat Bay and SD Point, and the duration is approximately 2 hours. After snorkeling, we returned and relaxed for a while. They have beach-facing rooms in case someone wants to stay right on the shore. Guys, we completed snorkeling. It was our first time. The experience was mixed. We enjoyed it because it was our first time, and the experience was terrible because we threw up. If anybody is interested in staying in Nusa Penida Island, then there are some beach resorts. This is one of it, Maruti Beach Club, which is right in front of the beach. We booked our tickets to Axstone, and this is Axstone counter. There are so many operators lined up. After deboarding at Sanur, we booked a cab to UBUD, where we are going to stay for 5 nights. Hey friends, welcome to UBUD. I'm very excited because we are going to stay in this beautiful 2 BHK private pool villa for the next 5 days. As you enter, there are 2 couches in which you can relax just in front of the pool. This is a 2 BHK private pool villa. As you can see, one bedroom is over here. As you enter, you can see a very big, comfortable bed in which you can relax. A TV station, a workstation, and a wardrobe in which you can store your clothes. And a beautiful bathroom that I've ever seen until now. Wow, look at this, guys. You can see a big living room and a dining table in which you can spend quality of time with your family members, and there's a refrigerator in which you can store your beverages. And if you enter, this is our second bedroom. It has a big comfortable bed, a TV station, a workstation, a wardrobe, and the beautiful bathroom. It was a long day, and we were tired after snorkeling and traveling to UBUD. It was raining, and we ordered our dinner from the resort and dozed off, listening these natural sounds.